Here is how to fix up a floppy door handle in your old Civic. Over time, these two springs over here tend to get rusty and eventually they'll snap, and the result is a rather floppy door handle. It's not the end of the world, but it can cause some very annoying rattles. Your door handle repair kit consists of 3 new pivot pins. You only need 2, but I've thrown in an extra one just in case you bugger one up. 2 new springs, a punch for rounding over the ends of the pins, and a new bush for the actuator rod, just because it's nice to have a new bush. You're going to need a few tools, but not very many. You'll need a hammer, about a 4mm pin punch, and if you don't have a set of pin punches, go out and buy them. You won't regret it. About a 6mm drill, and it can't hurt to have a 4.5mm drill and a small round file. You'll also need an anvil of some sort. A good solid vise does the job very well. The first thing to do is to disassemble your old handle. To do that, you need to remove the 2 pivot pins. You need to drill out the ends of them. You only want to take off the ends of the pins. You don't want to drill into the handle at all, so be a bit careful. And then you need to use your pin punch to knock out the old pins. And there it is all apart. You can clearly see the broken springs. Now you clean it up, get it replated, paint it, whatever you like. Might be a good idea to get your 4.5mm drill and maybe a round file and just clean up the holes that the old pivot pins go in to get it all ready to put back together again. Well, there it is, new pins and springs installed. Just have to now mushroom over the heads of the pins. You'll note that there are 2 different springs in the kit. One at the springs has a long arm, and that fits against this arm here. The other one, slightly shorter arm, that goes at the other end. And now you get the included punch for the kit and mushroom over the heads of the pins. And there you go. One handle that snaps back very nicely. Also installed the new bush in this end. And now you can go and install it in your car. Hopefully it'll last for rather a long time, because you've got stainless steel pins and stainless steel springs that shouldn't rust.